Hey, hello, how are you?
Good, good. And you?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm good too. So, Bruno, right?
Yes.
Okay, so is this possible? Are you comfortable to open the camera?
No, not right now.
Okay, no problem. So, Bruno, so we are here for discussing a cold mail situation on your business. So, let me introduce myself. I am Hassan, and I run my cold mail agency, and I hunt client. Like I bring client for my agency via cold mail, and I offer them cold mail as well, because cold mail is the main channel to grow any kind of B2B market. Okay, so and I already check your website and as per your target market, and we are a very good fit for work because we can target like painters, then HVAC, then flooring people like roofing, plumber. Okay, so masonry, so electrical people. So we can do whatever you want. The targeting on your the service on your website very good. And did you see the video I sent you?
No, I didn't complete the video, but I understood.
Yeah. Okay. So if if you complete the video, then you will more understand that. Like we need to buy similar domain like your website name in xyz.com. We buy try xyz, use xyz, xyz, pro xyz, team xyz. So this kind of domain and all those domain we will forward to your main domain. Okay, so if anyone like search on the browser tryxyz.com, they will forward it to your xyz. So in this way, you will get the visitor on your website as well as in every domain we can create like two or three Google Workspace. Okay, for sending emails. So we can't like open more than we can create more than two three email account because it can be hard your deliverability. And I will told you a way like uh, how to buy Google Workspace at a cheap price from a reseller because you know I hope you use Google Workspace. So on Google Workspace, a personal plan also cost you like $7.20 per month. But we will buy Google Workspace for $3 per month. Okay, so that is the half below half. So you can save some bucks and save some money here, and as well as we need a sending tools for sending a lot of emails. So in the market, the best tools are like Instantly, Smartlead, People.ai. Smartlead cost you like $100. Instantly cost you like $100, but on People you can only for $77. So for my business, I use people.ai. So you can also use people.ai. So you can also save some money here. And for lead, so after setting up the technical setup, like we need to set up our domains, backend DNS record, MX record. Then we need to set up the technical SPF, DKIM, DMARC record on the email and domain background. And after that, we need to add the email on the sending tools for warm up. Okay, so we need to warm up our email at least for 2 weeks, minimum 2 weeks, and after that we can like buy some leads and we can manage some leads and we can send an our offer how we go and what will be our offer and what you are offering. We will make a copyright about our email and we will start sending email and possibly we will get a lot of interested people who are interested on your services.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, so you want to buy the domain right now, then I can help you with that as well.
Yes, I will buy the domains. Just send me the the links that the the domains that I need to buy. Send me the links. I will put everything on my card and I will buy it and I will send you what I need to send.
Yeah, so do you need any kind of estimated like how much it will be
Wh-
cost totally? Otherwise, it will be a like bluff for you. You don't know how much it will cost.
I didn't. I did. Your mic. I'm not listening good. What you said?
I'm saying like, do you want me to give you any kind of estimation or any kind of a possible cost for the total setup and
Correct. Of course, I need that.
yeah, okay.
That's
So
what I need.
okay, let me give you a proper like cost, and after that you will decide how we will go. Like 10 domain. Okay, this will be a one-time cost. So 10 domain, it will be cost like $10 per domain, so it will be $100. And for sending tools, it will be like $77. And for emails, for 30 emails, it will take like $90 per month, $90. And for leads and verification, it will cost almost like 150. And after that, our setup and management. So you want me only to set up the campaign, or you want to hire us as a monthly basis? We will set up, we will do whatever you want.
No, I want you to take care of this of this system. I just am going to send you the emails and what we need to say, and you take care of the rest.
Oh, okay. So it will be a monthly. So on a monthly salary, you need to give us. Generally, we are taking like $600 to $700 per month for various clients. So it depends on the workload. So
No, this is too much, man.
okay. So how much it will be good for you?
A tryout, a tryout for us to see if this works. It needs to be between 200 to 300.
I'm sorry, I can't do that right now on this budget for the full month, because only for set up the email. Okay, for 30 email setup, your charge will be like um uh,
No, I will buy the domain. That's it. I need to buy the domain. I need to buy the tools. I
yeah,
need to
like
buy
the
the
the,
all of
the
that
tools.
will
Okay, let me finish.
will
Like
be
your domains.
$300, $300 to $400. Now plus $600 will be $1,000. I don't want to spend a
No,
thousand dollars right
to
now.
grow your business, you need to spend, right? So this is
Uh,
not a spending; it's a investing. And this, how much the cold mail will give you the return, you will not get on the payday.
yeah, no, I know about this, man. I know. I
Yeah,
need to.
like
I
30
don't know
email.
if
So
it's gonna.
if you
I
buy
don't know
10
if it's gonna
domains,
work. I don't know if it's gonna work, so I can't try it with a
it's
thousand
working
dollars.
for it's working for any B2B company, and I believe it will work for you as well. Okay, let me finish. Like if you buy 10 domains, it will be like 30 email. For setup 30 email, we charge $150. And you are telling about 200 or $300 for full month. There will be a lot of copywriting, leads verifications, and leads nurturing, giving you the positive reply. So there will be a lot. So I can't do it on that price.
I just have for this startup. I just can do it $500. It's my budget on
For
the
total,
total. For
for buying the domains and setup, buying leads, everything.
yes,
Uh, I think it will be not enough, because then you need to do your own, or I can't do it on that prices, because only for set up the campaign we charge like $200, and for setting up the emails we charge uh, $150, and the monthly management if you want, so at least it will be minimum for $500.
so you see, so only there is almost $1,000. No, and I don't know if
Okay,
this.
so if I share my screen, then I can show you like we are charging 3K setup fee and $2,000 monthly recurring revenue, and we are let me show you some campaign. Okay, so I am doing it for clients with much higher budget. So okay, let me show you some of my campaign. We are doing it for my campaign, my company, and also we are doing it for you can see this is a construction company we are working with. Okay, so this is one of my clients. So you can see
Yeah,
on
I can see.
we already get 74 leads. Okay, we already get 74 leads in just maybe 2 months. Okay, so this is my workspace. So if I go there, then you can see here. There is also two replies already coming up, so I need to reply these two leads. So we already get in 1 month 157 leads. So you can say like if the person are the positive reply, then it will be like 60, 70 people. Okay, I need to handle.
Yeah, but you send 20,
No, it
21,000
no, it's not
email.
send it. It's okay. Let me. This is the total leads I put in this campaign. Okay, it's not send this much. Wait a minute. Let me like load all of the campaign. Okay, so in here you will see now. Wait, it's loading. And for my case, you can see I am using like a lot of email, but I think it's so less for me. 38. I am using 38, and I am trying to increase more because I need to do more for them. So
Show me one of the replies. Show me one of the replies.
okay, okay, you
Can
can see.
be
Oh, okay, you can see we just completed the campaign for 46%. Okay, I'm showing you one of some of my replies. So you can filter here. Okay, some people will be not interested, some people will out of office. So you can filter here like interested. Which people are getting interested. You can see that's are all interested. Okay,
wait,
I mark.
give me a second. Let me check. Where is the replies from the customer?
Oh, okay,
Hi Nate.
let me show you here. Okay, so we send email first. Okay, and then again they reply. So I the last call to action will be like, would you mind if I share a short video outlining how it works? And the return client so
Okay.
like send it over, and then I
Okay.
send a video link and the booking link so they can book a call with us. And after that they don't even reply, and
Okay.
I will follow up with them again, and I will call them to let them know.
Show me the construction company, the one that you're doing for the construction.
It's confidential, okay, but I am mentioning. But this result is will be different on your case because this
No,
offer
I know,
is
I know. I want to understand what you're doing and see.
okay.
I'm checking. I'm analyzing.
Uh, okay, wait. Just let me click on the interested. So okay, you can see there is directly offered one. Let's see, this is one of the lead.
Let me see the first email, then I
Okay,
will.
this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one we send. We have a look. Would you like to see impact how this approach has had for companies like Born Design, and they offer in website design and development. I told you before. You see the direct link, so you can hop on a call and see on this directly, and after that they are directly go on the Zoom meeting, and they are talking. They are good fit. They are ready to go. This is the way to like working on well-being, and this is the same way we are generating clients for my company, and we have like seven clients right now. All are B2B clients. We are generating appointments and clients for them as well.
Okay, Chad, do me your best price. Send me the best price you can do for us to start this with 10 domains. Send me all all describe how much we're gonna spend for each area, and yeah, I will decide.
Oh, okay. So if you like, it's not like if you don't want to go with Fiverr, then I can do some less because Fiverr has 20% commissions. So how much I earn, and I need to give 20% on Fiverr. So I if you want to work with outside of Fiverr, because we are all client is working outside of Fiverr. So if you want to work with outside of Fiverr, then I can give you like 10-20% discount whatever I am giving to Fiverr. Okay, so I can list that. Otherwise, I can't do that on that price.
Send me send me all the amounts
Okay,
that I'm
so
gonna spend
okay, so
on the start.
do you have WhatsApp for better communications and faster
Yeah,
communication? Okay,
I
so give
will
me your
send.
WhatsApp, then I'm sending you the like written document. So okay, please tell me your WhatsApp. Okay, so I already gave that. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
In the emails that we're gonna send, we can add a PDF on it.
Yeah, we can add, but on the
Okay.
first email, it's not recommended to send any PDF or something like that, because on the first email we will only pitch our offer, and after that,
But
just
if I want to try send it a PDF from the beginning, I can do it, correct?
yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Anything you can like it will be like a same email like you are using regularly. Okay, so you can send, but any
Okay.
PDF link, any kind of link will be a cause for landing on the spam. So that's why it's recommended. So don't send a link and on the first email. On the second and third email, we can send email. So I send you a hi on the WhatsApp. So if you please reply, it will be good for me.
Yeah, we will lift. Yeah, I receive it.
Okay, send me a reply, and I am giving you a like total breakdown of how much it will be a cost, and how much will be the second month cost. So I'm sending you everything.
Okay. Send me and I see what I can do.
Okay, no problem. So thank you, Bruno. So if you really want to consider that, I think it will be the best way if you just try it out, because it's not paid ad. On paid ads, it has a like CPC click. Every keyword has a you need to spend money. Every keyword has a CPC value. Okay, so that's why you spend a lot of money with some leads, but it will be not like that. You can scale to the moon, and the ROI will be insane. So if you send a lot of email, like in our agency, we are sending like a lot email, a lot like 40K, 50K email a month. We are getting a good amount of leads. So you can do the same.
Okay. Okay. Let's send me the information on WhatsApp. I wait for it.
Okay, no problem. Take care. Bye.
Okay.